No. You don't have to. I have to be on my way now.
Oh, I get it. You don't want your boyfriend to see us together.
Boyfriend? Mm-hmm. No, I don't have a boyfriend, sir. It doesn't work out for us. They always say I'm stubborn.
Stubborn, okay.
Yes, because I tell them what I want and they wouldn't, agree to that. So most of the time it doesn't work out for us.
So in that case, let me drop you off.
No, sir, you don't have to stress yourself. Honestly, I need to get to the house, drop my bag, get ready, and then attend the evening devotion. This is my birth month, so I want to be very close to God and spiritual as well.
Oh, you see why they say you're stubborn. You never agree. Mm-hmm. So what month is your birthday?
On the 18th, sir.
Oh, okay, I see. Happy birthday in advance.
Okay, sir, I really have to be on my way. It's dropping already.
Okay.
Ivy.
Please, thank you very much, okay? Thank you for coming through and, of course, cleaning the whole place. I'm grateful.
It's nothing, sir. Okay? I'll call you.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye. This is already getting closer than I thought. Oh, nice. Did you remind them the theme for the year?
Exactly, sir. That is the corrected copy.
Okay, thank you. You can go.
Sir, your lunch.
Oh.
What would you have?
That's true. I'm nothing really, just my usual.
Alright, sir.
Alright.
Sir, you have to eat before you continue work. I prepared your favorite fried rice with plantain and chicken.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thanks. I appreciate it.
You're a nice man, sir, so you deserve the best. Enjoy your meal. You're welcome.
Happy birthday.
Oh, you remembered?
Of course.
Thank you very much, sir.
Oh, you're welcome.
Is this for me?
Of course. You deserve even more.
So this is just too much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Would you want to come inside?
No, I'm fine. So, you can have a day off. And if you don't mind, we'll be coming 5 p.m. today to take you out.
Oh, God. Thank you. Sir, you are such a kind man. God bless you. Thank you. Hi, sir.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Wow.
Sorry, I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
Oh, really? You look good.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You look good.
Like this?
Of course.
Thank you. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. The traffic was way too much.
It's alright. It hasn't been long I got here either.
Okay, it's fine.
So, what would you want to take? What do you care for?
I love fried chicken. So if they have it, it's...
No, not on your birthday. Let's start with wine. Hmm?
Okay, anything.
Waiter! You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you, sir.
Just get me any wine now. So, back to our discussion the previous day.
Okay.
Do you have a boyfriend? Have you ever been in love?
Right now, I do not have a boyfriend. But I once fell in love. It was quite unfortunate that he was in love with another. He was in love with daughter of a wealthy man. But it's fine. I learned my lesson though. I'm okay.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Can you stop calling me? Sorry.
Okay, sir. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
See, all of that size is going to end very soon. Can you do me a favor?
Go ahead, tell me, sir.
Can you stop calling me sir? Sir, I love that.
But you're my boss. It's a sign of respect.
I know. But I prefer you address me by my name.
I'll try.
You know, I have a reason for that. You know, I have gotten so used to you. You know, over this short period of time you resumed work in my office, and I won't lie, you are very hardworking.
Yes, sir.
And with the little I've seen, I think you have a good heart. You know, and that's exactly what I like in someone. So I don't want this friendship to be boss and worker thingy anymore. I want something more intense. I don't mean to scare you. Intense in the sense that I want being more than a boss and a worker thing. Will you marry me?
Hey, Sally, it's not too fast. Like,
I'm sorry.
sir, please now, don't do this. This is too sudden. We barely know each other. Please, let's just be friends, please.
I don't want to be beating around the bush. I just told you my mind.
My heart is beating very fast.
You don't need to beat fast. Look, I will be the best man for you. You already know that you're going to lack nothing. I'll give you all the love you deserve.
I really like you, sir, but
Stop calling me sir. Hey.
Okay. No problem.
Here you go. It's from your mind, right?
I'm just kind of scared.
You don't
really
need
know
to be
each other very well.
You don't need to be scared. It's okay, alright? Let's toast! Greatness, togetherness. What's your favorite drink? My champagne. So we make a toast to long life and prosperity. Togetherness forever, greatness together,
Amen.
love, and above all, good leader.
Amen.
So what's your favorite drink? She came like a chameleon. She hid her sharp blade. And now she's ready to slit like Delilah. I will end this marriage if she fails to return tomorrow. I will put an end to this her madness and my weakness once and for all.
Ivy, are you sure you're okay?
I'm perfect.
I don't think so. Okay. You mean you want to go back to the house? You want his auntie to rearrest you?
No. Listen, I need to go back to my husband's house before it's too late. Yeah.
Before what is too late?
I know what I'm talking about. It's my husband's house. I need to go. I'm not a child. I'll call you.
Yeah. See what I'm trying to help. Okay. Go, but I know you will run back to me like a puppy. I have to go back to my husband's house. It's only that I have a husband. Yeah. Useless girl.
Hey, stop there. Where's my checkbook?
Oh, I don't have it.
Hey, you don't move an inch when I'm still talking to you. That is a new rule in this house. Now, where's my checkbook? I don't want to repeat myself. Where is my checkbook?
It's in your room.
Go and get it. Right now. Now.
Madam the vex, Oga don't charge. Madam na Iran, Oga na Iraq. Oga slap on a duam like a bumble. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Young good tire, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Onike Abo.
If you be going out to the SUV, can you stop by and top the oil?
Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter, they confused.
I really have to even this score. I will never let this slide just like that. He has to pay for all the mosquitoes that beat me at the police cell. I must retaliate. And that has to be done very fast.
Love don't finish, war don't start. Onike Abo. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe.
Norma, please, where are you? I'm in front of your house. Gone out? To where? Oh, just stepped out. Please, just come quickly. It's very important. Please, hurry. Hurry, I'm not fine. Ivy, are you okay? I'm not okay. I'm not fine.
Oginipo, what is it?
Please, let's go inside. I honestly do not feel like eating anything now.
You're rejecting my food. What's up? Talk to me. What is it?
I feel defeated. I'm so angry right now. I mean, you needed to have seen the way Chime was carrying his shoulder so high. Like a wrestler that just defeated 10 opponents. It's not funny. It's really not funny. He needs to feel my anger. He needs to. I hate to be defeated.
Are you really sure about this?
I am 100% sure about this. Of course you know me. I love vengeance. If there's any way you can take me for me to have it, my dear, I will really appreciate.
Then worry not. There is prophetess I'll take you to. Her own is sharp. Akumerere.
What are we waiting for? I am game already. Let's just start going.
Don't worry. But in the meantime, let me get you something to eat. This is not
only water.
Water in my house. You, foodie like you. You must eat something.
Chime, you will get it hurt. Now, Bala.
What is his name?
His name is Chime.
Why do you want him dead?
He's a very wicked husband. He locked me in the police cell for 7 days. 7 days.
I have few questions for you, and I want you to be honest.
All right.
Are you a nagging wife?
No, I am not a nagging wife, but I do correct him when he's wrong.
And how many times do you take corrections when you are wrong?
I am never wrong. The only problem is that he comes back late every now and then. So who wouldn't be angry? I'm human.
Do you give him food on time?
How can I be cooking for an irresponsible man? I don't.
I can't take part in the death of an innocent man. A good man at that.
Please, you just have to help me, please. Help me.
Because of you, that man has not done the work God sent him to do in this earth.
What exactly are you saying? That you are not going to kill him?
Have you ever cheated on him?
Yeah.
Look at me. I am not an evil prophetess. Get up. Get up. Get up. Turn around and go back to where you are coming from.
But I will pay you well.
Get out.
No. Maybe you should visit a dibia in your village.
A dibia?
Huh.
I do not know of any dibia.
It's not a problem. Tell your mother to show you one.
You have just mentioned the wrongest person. My mother is a staunch Catholic. What's funny?
Are you being serious right now? Forget all these mothers that sit in front of churches every Sunday. That is how they sit in front of witch doctors before Sundays.
What are you saying, Norma? No, my mother is not that type of woman. She's not. But anyways, I'll still go see her tomorrow.
Tomorrow, cha? No. Go today.
Today?
Today, no. Said, it is better you silence your husband before he does so. This shows that your husband is a strong occultic man. I mean, how can you explain this?
I'm telling you, I need to deal with him. And I need to do that as soon as possible.
Wow. Welcome. You know I have your back.
I know.
Anything for you.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be on my way now.
You don't want to go with me?
No. Your mother will not be comfortable if she's with your friend. Yes.
You're right,
she
my
wants
dear.
to believe that whatever you guys do is between you.
Between us.
Yes.
I get it now. Okay, I have to run along, eh? I'll get back to you much later.
Okay. Let me know how you went.
Sure.
Okay,
No. Mama!
What is it?
Is he not that useless man that calls himself my husband that cannot live up to his responsibilities?
What happened?
Mama, this man is very wicked. He had the guts to lock me up in the police cell for 7 days.
He locked you up for 7 days.
Hey! Maybe he is.
What did you do?
Nothing. I only cautioned him to stop coming back late. What you put in the police cell?
7 days.
7 whole days, Mama.
Very wicked man.
Are you sure you did not steal his money?
Mama, I did not steal his money. But even if I did, is he not supposed to be my husband? Eh? What is his is mine. But Mama, I did not steal his money. He had the nerves to lock me up at the police cell for 7 whole days.
That is 1 week.
Chineke got other man, Oko. Mama, I'm so paranoid right now.
Aye. You know what? Just calm down. I am going to get you abacha to eat. Eh? While we think about what to
Mama, I have not come here to eat abacha. I have only come here to take my pound of flesh. See, Mama, I need your advice. I want you to tell me what to do to this man so that he can feel exactly what I'm feeling right now. I want him to feel very hot.
Feel what you're feeling right now.
Even worse, Mama. Even worse.
Even worse. See, I will get the abacha. As you're eating it, each spoon you scoop, I'll be thinking of something evil. It will do the second one or the more evil than
Mama,
the first one.
I cannot wait.
Don't worry. He will feel hot. Worse than you're feeling right now.
Yes, so, Mama, please. I'm waiting for you. I'm not going to make body more go.
Chime, I have spoken with your uncles to take Kola not to her people and explain everything that has happened.
And is that the reason you invited me here?
Are you serious now? So this is not enough reason for me to invite you here?
You see, it's not because I've been keeping quiet. I know what to do.
Chime, you and I know that you don't know what to do. Because if you do, she won't be living in the same house with you by now.
You know, there's a saying that 2 men cannot be mad at the same time.
The saying did not say a man and a woman cannot be mad at the same time. Chime, stand up like a man. Stand up! What is all this? You will allow this girl to kill you. She will kill you and get herself another man. Chime, please speak up. What is all this quietness all about, a gentleman? Tell me, what is all that for?
I've heard you.
Like you always do. What is wrong with this boy? Do you want more? I can get more for where this came from.
Mama, thank you so much. I'm fine. I'm very
sure.
fine. Mama, this has served as dinner for me. I'm very, very okay.
Hello, Zogom. No, mess.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, now you're done with the abacha. What was it you were asking about your husband?
Mama, I want you to take me to a very strong wadibia. I want to deal with my husband. I don't just want him to die. I want him to suffer before he dies.
Hey, so what makes you think I know of any dibia?
Mama, you have to find one. You really have to find one. Because every mother that wants the welfare of her child helps her out in situations as critical as this. Mama, you have to help me.
I see. Your mother must take care of your welfare. Where?
Mama, you have to. You have to. I've suffered enough in this man's...
Trust and negi.
Trust you.
Trust your mother.
And that is why I'm here.
Relax, yeah.
Biko.
I
don't understand. Hey. When I meant say more about nonsense. Hey, Mama.
Hey. onwe kesi atu nka to onwe kesi atu onele onwe kesi atu onele
Mama, what is this?
Atufe na ke be sina ke ba atufe ona afio na ya jide take this.
Give me one.
Okay, Fob.
Mama, this is ordinary water now.
It is not ordinary. That's the good thing about it. If have ordinary water. If for this water, I'll tell you how to use it. When your husband is shouting at you, you take a gulp of this water. Keep your mouth shut. You don't say anything. Do you understand what I'm saying?
You're not close to what I'm saying. Mama, I said that I want this man to suffer and die a painful death. I am not asking you to give me water, eh?
Wait now.
Water even.
If you are able to practice this thing I've just told you, that gives me the guarantee that you will not leak the secret of what I will eventually give to you to work with. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I understand. Mama, I am ready to do it. This man has really dealt with me. Let him die.
So when you take this water, when you drink it, if you try to talk, your stomach will start hurting you and you will start bleeding. Yes. If you try to spit it out, you will lose your sight. So if you go kodi, so you will do as I said. You will take a gulp, keep mute. As he's shouting, you just be looking at him. If you like, you can have a grin on your face. No. Until it's done backing before you can spit the water out. Try it and see what will happen. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay, Mama, but I will still have to come back for the main automobo.
Hi! Can I can't go automobo? Automobo if I be for checking up. If I know was a kitabo Thomas. Can I make pian nanya? Maki bacha automobo if I want to take it. Imera Thomas. So Thomas. And don't forget what I said.
I trust you.
If he's shouting at you, you gulp the water, you don't talk, you don't spit it out until it's done.
Okay,
Mama. Remember what I told you. If he starts shouting at you, you gulp the water, do not swallow it, and don't spit it out either. Okay? While I walk on day.
Thomas. Oh, Mama. Thank you so much. I cannot wait for the Thomas.
Etiko, it will work. Don't worry. I'm working on the Thomas. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
And don't forget. If you fail any of these instructions, you will bleed to death.
Bleed?
Yes. So, Olo. You got different act, Kita. You man and chivo actress. Na Nollywood.
Mama, you're not
you want to go? You got support to come on.
Hey, Mama. Hey. Mama, you get winning award.
You get who's got them steps in that, yeah. You got to go. You got to go. Never made. No problem. Hey, I don't jam. Remember, I'm coming for the Thomas will be ready by the time you come. You know, I'm getting about tomorrow where we see go. Thomas, go safely, one. Hey, stronger than one.
Yeah, honey, can you come open the door? I've been knocking.
Why are you calling me? What's the meaning of this?
What?
Why are you disturbing my life?
Why would you leave with the key now since you knew you'd be going out?
What sort of stupid question is that? Or you want to take me back to the police cell, right? Is that what you want? Just leave me alone. Do you understand? Leave me be. Rubbish.
Madam the Vex, Oga don't charge. Madam na Iran, Oga na Iraq. Oga slap on a duam, like a bumble. Madam mouth on a ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Damn good naya, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafu, Dikeh yabo.
You mean to tell me your mother asked you to come back later?
Yeah. She wants to go and see Edibia.
So why didn't she take you to see the Dibia together?
No.
So you can at least tell the Dibia exactly what you want yourself.
I know my mother. She wouldn't want people to see us together, going to a native doctor, knowing full well that she is one of the leaders in the church.
I see.
Honestly, I'm famished. I need something to eat. Do you make something, please?
So you're not hungry, you want to eat some?
Monique and Leah. Go.
Alright, I'm coming.
Oh Lord, prayers up. Help me to overcome this temptation. Help me to avoid beating the hell out of her. Help me not to lock her up in my doghouse. So help me, God.
Is calling.
Leave that useless man. I don't have time to talk to any fool right now. She keep calling.
He's calling again.
Let him keep calling. Do I have to?
Pick.
I don't want to. Eh? Get it horrible. What is it? Don't shout at me. What's the meaning of that? You must not shout while telling me. I'm on my way home already. Please. I didn't want to talk to this man. Marriage. You enter. Oburoku. My sister. I have to go carry my cross. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Ivy, how could you lock me out for hours now? Why did you leave with the key? Ivy, thank your stars that I know God. I will just let this one slide, all right? But let this repeat itself, then you will know the stuff I'm made of. You will know me too well. Let this repeat itself. You see, today is Christmas. From today onwards, do not return to this house past 5. Past 5. Once it's 5 o'clock, come back to this house. Else, all right? You will see me.
Oga don't charge, Madam Nairan, Oga Nairak, Oga slap on a duam, like a bumble, Madam Matuna ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe, Yango fire, Operation Show Pepe, love don't finish, war don't start, Aniafu. Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter. He they confused. Madam Martin.
So you even left the TV on. Ivy, how many times have I warned you, if you're going out, switch off the electrical appliances? Why are you always acting like a child?
Operation Show Pepe, love don't finish, war don't start. House on fire. Operation Show Pepe, Operation Show Pepe, love don't finish, war don't start. House on fire. Operation Show Pepe, Operation Show Pepe, love don't finish, war don't start.
I was switching off. This calmness is looking like a scam to me already.
House on fire, Operation Show Pepe, Operation Show Pepe, love don't finish, war don't start. Madam they look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter. He they confused. Madam Matuna ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire. Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish.
What's going on here? Eh? What do we call this nonsense? Ivy, you know how much I dislike this nonsense. So if I had returned with a visitor, this is what he's going to see? This nonsense? Why is it that you know what to do, yet you don't do it? You always want me to talk. Come on, get up. I'm talking to you. Are you out of your mind? Pack these things out of this place. Dirty pig. I don't know if you've been mad before. Have you been mad before? Look at clothes everywhere. She didn't talk back. I think this police station changed some people. Or is this a scam? This looks like a scam to me. Maybe she's up to something this time. I know this woman. Now my question is, what is she up to? I hope it's not my head. Ivy! No, seriously, my brother. Can a woman suddenly become quiet? Like, my wife now, I don't understand what's going on. Whatever I say, unlike her, she will not respond. She will just shake her head and go. Like, it's surprising.
But don't you like it? Sure, she's begun to realize that she is the wife and need to be submissive to the husband. And I also believe that she's realizing her mistake. Well, it's a good thing. I like that. It's a good start. At least my man now have peace.
The thing is, you know, I'm used to waking up, even from sleep, sir. I'll be hearing quarrel from the dream, you know, then reality waking me up. But these days, I wake up expecting nags and all of that, but nothing.
Is calm. It's okay. Brother, by the way, that business, how far?
It's up to you now. Me, I've been ready since now. Once your money is complete, we'll sign the agreement and pay for the cargo.
Oh, so I'm the one delaying?
Yes, now.
I will send you my money in 2 days.
Then you prepare your lawyer. We'll sign the agreement. What else?
Brother, lawyer? Do we need a lawyer for this agreement? No, now. Listen, let's just sign under the written agreement and keep the copies.
No, I don't do things like that. So we'll sign agreements now.
You don't trust me?
Now, it's very simple. That's because I don't trust anybody. You see, money can cause problem between blood brothers. Talk more of friends. So I don't want, you know, this and that. It's very simple. Get your lawyer, get my lawyer. We'll make everything legal. And that ends it. No, they look me like that now. It's normal. We'll make everything legal. And,
all right.
Very simple. Wow. God, they do miracle.
What did you do to your husband that was saying so many rubbish things about you today?
What has he said again this time?
He said that your days are numbered. He said he's done with you. He said he just finished with the lawyer about the divorce. That once he divorces you, he's going to get married in 2 weeks' time.
What?
Yes. He said you are not from a good family. And he also said that he's going to give you a shock of your life.
Hey. So Chima is planning to take me unaware. Don't worry. We shall see.
Baby, if you had listened to me and ended this marriage, you and I would have been outside this country happily married. Yes. You don't need a man that loves to condemn you with every piece of information he got from his friends at the bar. You don't need him.
You don't have to worry yourself, Mel. Thank you so much for this information. Let me finish with my assignment first.
Assignment?
Then I'll get back to you.
Assignment? Baby, what assignment?
Don't worry yourself. I'll get back to you much later.
Baby, hold on. Don't forget to ask for your compensation once he divorces you. look at this beautiful waist. Wow, I can't wait to have this waist. I can't wait to have this waist. Look at this beautiful waist. Daddy.
If you calm down, the anger will subside. My dear, someone told me that he's planning a divorce. A divorce! That's not a bad plan, is it? Of course it is. Have you forgotten that I have to take my revenge? I'm planning something. Okay. Go and see your mother. Better stay, call her on the phone. Tell her to tell the Diba to make it fast. You don't understand, do you? The divorce might come at any time. But the charm my mother is preparing with Mwadibia kills slowly. It is still the same thing.
Oh my God.
He divorces you, you move on. Shortly he dies. Noma, your brain is obviously not functioning well today. What is wrong with you? Okay, fine. What if the divorce happens before the charm? Who loses? I lose. Calm down, understand me. Go and see your mother. Or better still, call her. Tell her to prepare the charm very fast. You need it as soon as possible.
You need to think. You're not safe. Have a nice day.
If I kill him, I will stay back. Tell his people I am carrying his child, and his wealth will become mine. Yes.
By the time I am done with you, you will know that Jime is special to us in this family. If you ever come back from this one, count yourself lucky. I told you I'm watching you, and I'm still watching you. Officers, take her away.
I have not done anything.
Officers, take her away.
I've been the one beating me in the house. I have not done anything. No.
Take her!
I've not done anything, no. Jima has been the one beating me in that house.
I told you I'm watching you, and I'm still watching you. Officers, take her away.
That woman will just kill me. I better stick to my plans.
Madam the Vex, Oga don't charge. Madam Nairan, Oga Nairak, Oga slap on a duam, like a bumble. Madam Matuna ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafo, Oyike Abo. Madam de look for new strategy. Oga they fighting for restructuring. Oga head don't scatter, he dey confused. Madam Matuna ratatatata like a machine gun. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe. Dango tire, Operation Show Pepe. Love don't finish, war don't start. Aniafo, Oyike Abo. House on fire, Operation Show Pepe.
I just got a lot from our debit account. I thought we agreed that no one should withdraw money from there or even use our debit card for now.
Oh goodness, I shouldn't have put this water in my mouth.
I'm talking to you. Why would you withdraw money from the account without my consent? Ivy, I am talking to you. Why would you withdraw 150,000 naira from the joint account without my consent? Are you out of your mind? Am I not talking to someone? Why would you withdraw money from the joint account? So it's not right to tell me. I'm talking to you. Come. Why would you withdraw money from the joint account? What did you do with the money?
Oh, you think I'm joking?
I'm finished.
Where's my money?
Remember what I told you. If he starts shouting at you, you gulp the water, do not swallow it, and don't spit it out either. Okay? While I walk on there.
Tomorrow. Oh, Mama. Thank you so much. I cannot wait for the tumors.
Etiko, it will work. Don't worry. I'm working on the tumors. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
And don't forget. If you fail any of these instructions, you will bleed to death.
Bleed?
Yes. So, Olo.
What's the meaning of this? You think this drama can scare me?
I don't want to die.
Huh? If you don't want to die, then you give me the money.
I do not want to die. Just leave me alone. Let me go. I don't want to die. Mama. Oh, Chimo. Mama, pick up now. What is it? Mama, what is it? Mama, go back.
What is it?
Mama, please help me. I don't want to die.
Why would you die?
Mama, I mistakenly swallowed the water.
You did what?
I mistakenly swallowed it.
But I warned you, Ivy. I warned you.
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
I mistakenly swallowed it.
You're dead.
It's not.
Oh, can't see where Jeno? My daughter is
Mama.
dead.
Mama Chelugu, what do we do?
What do we do? I said, what do we do? What can we do? That running Mugo.
Mama, wait, are you trying to tell me that nothing can be done?
Nothing. You're dead already.
No.
But you can't bear your mama before you pass
Mama,
on.
what are you saying?
Because you're going to die. What am I supposed to do?
Mama, I tried everything I could. He held my throat. I tried so much to free myself. And I mistakenly swallowed.
This is how you die.
Mama, please, something has to be done because also I can't get away. Mama, please.
We're not going to kill what
Mama, please, now let's do something.
Like what?
Introduce me to this now.
Ask you for it. It's better than I introduced you to it. Ask for it. Wait. Did you say you mistakenly
swallowed it? It was a mistake, Mama. It wasn't intentional.
If it wasn't intentional, then just wait. Wait.
Mama, don't cry with me. You're making me lose hope.
Sorry, but you're my daughter.
Mama. How?
Because I missed my wife.
I miss you more. You're welcome, honey.
Yeah, there you go.
So how was your day?
Well, my day was splendid.
You got this for me?
For you, baby.
Oh my God. It's so beautiful.
Oh, you love it?
It's beautiful. Oh, thank you, baby. And guess what? I made your favorite. So come.